Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic coding and what are the advantages of coding. So let's start. What is coding? Computer coding is the use of computer programming languages to give computers and machines instructions on what actions to perform. It is the way humans communicate with machines, and it allows us to create software like programs, operating systems, and mobile apps. See, the main thing is like we humans communicate with each other in human languages like English, Hindi, Punjabi, Japanese, Chinese, or any other language, but none of these language a computer understands. So, in order to communicate with a computer, we need to give instructions in a language which computer understands. And all these are called computer programming languages. And these languages are used to give instructions to the computers or machines what actions need to be performed. And these programming languages also allows us to create software programs, operating systems, and mobile apps. So coding is basically the computer languages which is used to develop apps, websites, and software. Without it, we have none of the most popular technology we have come to rely on, such as Facebook or smartphones, the browser we choose to view our favorite blogs, or even the blogs themselves. So everything runs on code. So that is why coding is so important. So let's learn how coding works. The code is what tells your computer what to do. Computers don't understand words. They only understand the concepts of on and off. The capabilities of a computer are guided by on and off switches or transistors. Binary code represents these on and off transistors as the digits 1 and 0. So, computer understands the binary code, that is 1 and 0. So 1 is for on and 0 is for off. So computer understand only this code. So an infinite number of combination of these codes make your computer work. In order to make binary code manageable, computer programming languages were formed. These languages each serve different purposes, but they all allow programmers to translate important commands into binary code. So, irrespective of the computer languages, the main or the basic purpose of these languages is to translate the important commands into binary code, that is 1 and 0. So, let's learn about the popular coding languages we can learn. The major coding languages about which beginner should know are HTML, Java, Python, CSS, C language, C++, PHP, SQL. So all these are the popular coding languages which a beginner can learn. Now let's learn why kids should learn to code. Coding improves academic performance. Coding builds soft skills. Coding paves a path to the future. So let's learn about these one by one. First is coding improves academic performance. that they have noticed their kids' confidence building as they learn problem solving through coding. So, coding improves academic performance as it's improve your math skills, creativity, confidence, and all of these. Coding also builds soft skills like focus and organization. As they write more complicated code, kids naturally develop better focus and organization. Resilience. With coding comes debugging, and there is no better way to build perseverance and resilience than working through challenges. Communication. Coding teaches logical communication, strengthening both verbal and written skills. Think about it. Learning code means learning a new language. Coding paves a path to the future. Empowerment. Coding gives the power to make a difference. Life skills. Coding is a basic literacy in the digital age, and it is important for kids to understand and able to innovate with the technology around them. Career preparation. There is a high demand for workers with coding skills in the tech industry. Mastering code at a young age allows kids to excel in any field they choose. So, we see there are so many advantages of learning to code. So, let's start our journey forever and have fun by learning coding. Take care. Bye bye.